Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today we will be teaching you a new word of the week!
I like it!
The word of the week is jellyfish! Yay! A jellyfish is an ocean creature called an invertebrate. Jellyfish have no brain, no heart, no bones, and no eyes. Jellyfish have a soft, oval-shaped, bag-like body, which is almost transparent or see-through. Jellyfish also have long tentacles that have tiny cells that can sting. Jellyfish use their stinging tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before eating it up. The mouth of a jellyfish is found in the center of its body. Jellyfish are found in oceans all over the world. They are found at the surface of the ocean and also deep beneath the ocean. Jellyfish float through the water, eating whatever they happen to pass in the water and can fit in their mouths. Anything from tiny little shrimp and krill to small fish. You can also use jellyfish in a sentence like this. The jellyfish floated through the water and stung Dory the fish. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Jellyfish! If you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, kiddos. Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!